Vlog. Today me and my son are at his school. They're having an event, a corn maze event. We're in the fields. It's giving horror movie. And today's my birthday. So put happy birthday in the comments. I'm not telling y'all my age though. In the corn maze, you see me?
Go ahead, it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Yeah, my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you. Nobody make me stop.
Hey, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, we're making shrimp lo mein. This is my first time making it, so hopefully it turns out good. Let's get started.
Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, you so dramatic. I guess anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel so. I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said, don't worry, I got it. You said, you just make me feel so good.
Every single night we burn sage as we toxic. Mushrooms got us outside our bodies. She's so used to me swallowing, now it's turning her rotten. Anytime I leave out on tour, don't be plotting. Every time I'm leaving out the door, she talk feist. Just make sure you're holding me down.
What you say, huh? Took it to another level, what you think, huh? Yeah, you niggas know better off the break, huh? I can't feel sorry for you.
Hey vlog, so I just finished my workout. I got a good workout in. You can tell from my previous videos that I lost 30 pounds. I started my healthy lifestyle journey back in December of 2022. I'll insert pictures of my before and afters, but make sure you take care of yourself. Get at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. And people ask me what's the secret. It's no secret to working out. You gotta be dedicated and consistent. Consistency is key. Try to work out at least 3 to 4 days a week, and I'm plant-based and pescatarian as well. So today we're gonna go to the market. My son and I were having a spooky Halloween night, so we're gonna go shopping for that, and I'll show you all the decorations and everything in the next clip, so keep on watching. Okay, are you ready for the spooky Halloween night? Yeah. So what are we doing? Tell the people what we doing today.
We're watching Five Nights at Freddy's. We're painting pumpkins and we're doing karaoke.
Yep, so it looks so nice. You can see some of our decorations in the back. All the balloons and the confetti from the balloons that popped. And we about to go pick up our cake. Hey vlog, so we made a pit stop. Me and Kai are by the river, lake, whatever you want to call it. We're just gonna walk around for a minute, and it's so nice out. It's such a pretty fall day, so let's take a nice walk. And we just got our groceries for the party, for the Halloween party, so I have to make one more stop after this because that grocery store didn't have everything I needed. So we're gonna make one more stop. Bless you. Make one more stop. And oh yeah, I have to go to my parents' house. I have to get some decorations that I ordered. Then we'll be back home for the spooky movie night. So let's do this. Let's go by the river. It's so nice. It's such a beautiful fall day.
You're here, I'm pleased. I really dig your company. Your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see.
We're about to pop the confetti poppers and get this party started. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. So count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is cleaning this up?
Yes, both of us.
Who is cleaning this up?
Both of us.
Yeah. Making confetti angels.
Yes. Let me write it.
When the guys not no doors, they some friends.
Don't talk to my man like that. I like it when you lick it. My man. The truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I see who's in this moment? You just too important.
Doors, they some friends. I'm playing with them birds like on edge. We pop right by the curb, they get to
The next day.
So the spooky movie night was a success. We had so much fun. We did karaoke. We watched Stranger Things. And just had a good old funky time. Makai's not gonna sleep back there. It's confetti everywhere. Now it's time to clean up. On Halloween, we're going to just do pumpkin painting and probably watch some more movies. Well, we had a good time. So today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. And today we are carving out pumpkins and painting them as well. And we're going to make homemade pizzas. So I just set up everything so when Kai comes out of school, everything will be ready. Have the disco lights going. I love these lights. It's a vibe. But yeah, I just set up the table and I still have our decorations up from the spooky movie night. So when he gets out of school, I'll start filming again. We're about to make our pizzas. We have the Pillsbury crust. Just got some regular tomato sauce. We probably do like a Halloween shake. Mamma mia, pizzeria. You got the rolling pin. Don't play with it too much. So we're about to put our pieces in the oven. I did a ghost and Kai did ghost face from Scream. Our pieces are done. Looks so good. Show the people the front of yours. Looking good. I'm doing polka dots. You know, you just gonna move it orange. I'm gonna paint some. I'm gonna put some gumballs on top of mine. So I'm doing some gumballs around it. Oh. But I'm gonna put some blue on there too.
That runs.
So guys, we finished doing our pumpkins. Kai did a colorful theme and I did the sunflower theme. They turned out so cute. We had so much fun. The movie night was a success. And the pumpkin carving. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.
Peace, y'all.
Never, never, never.